Welcome to the voice broadcasting tutorial video. This video will show you how to send a recorded message to your subscribers as a direct phone call, getting your message across in minutes. To start, hover over the microphone icon in the navigation and click Create Voice. This will open the Voice Broadcast Composer. From here, there are just a few steps to creating your voice broadcast. First, add a description for your voice broadcast. This will help you to differentiate between your voice broadcasts in our platform. Next, select the contact list you'd like to send the voice broadcast to using the drop-down. You can search for a specific list or list group using the search bar and select as many lists as you like by selecting the checkboxes next to the list names. You can also apply basic filters to the lists by clicking Apply Filter and selecting the filters you want to use. If you haven't yet created the filter you'd like to use, you'll need to do this in Filters before progressing. Once you've selected your contact lists and filters, specify if you'd like to use our text-to-speech function or if you have a pre-recorded audio file you'd like to use. For the text-to-speech option, type your message out in the text-to-speech text box and select whether you'd like a male or female voice and what accent you'd like the message to be spoken in. Click Listen to hear what the voice broadcast will sound like to your subscribers.
This is an example of text-to-speech. You can choose from different options and add personalization by clicking on the personalization icon at the top right corner above the text box.
If you want to upload a pre-recorded audio file, select this option and click Browse to find and upload the voice recording to the platform. Now that your message is confirmed, check the POPI Compliance checkbox to confirm that it includes the option for subscribers to unsubscribe. This is a legal requirement. The final step in creating a voice broadcast is scheduling. You can either send the voice broadcast out immediately or schedule it to go out at a specific time and date by clicking on the Date and Time box, selecting a date, and then clicking on the clock icon to specify the time. When you're happy with the setup, click the orange button in the corner. If you're sending your voice broadcast out immediately, this button will say Send. If you've scheduled it for a specific time, it'll say Schedule. Your voice broadcast has now been launched. Congratulations! This concludes the voice broadcasting tutorial video.